All right, I know you guys have been dying for an update, and finally, after all this work and everybody involved, we can tell you that Marlene had 3 kittens. Cute little kittens. That's a little mini Marlene. Voting is over, and if you went on and the site was crashed, that's because so many of you guys were on there. It is awesome. We had 5,000 people voting on 1,500 cars. Originally, we asked our web designer to build us a small website that we could have some memberships be available, give them links to the people that we work with, things like that. And then last spur of the moment, we said, hey, we want you to be able to control voting and links to videos, and when people forget their passwords, and when people are having trouble uploading their pictures, we want you to take care of all of that. So he's been working super hard. The website crashed a couple times, and that is awesome because that means it was overloaded. We were at full capacity of everything that we could possibly do. With all the votes going on, they tallied successfully. We have our 25 tops in each of our categories, and now they're going to their respective YouTube judges, and they've been checking out the site too. So just because you're not in the top 25 doesn't mean that your favorite YouTuber didn't get to see you ride. But from here on, they're going to make a video on their top 25 and host that on their channel. So you're gonna have to go check out the other channels, and we will be letting you guys know on Instagram and all our social medias as to when they will be releasing their videos. So in the last 3 weeks, we've been able to raise $7,000 US without Google showing the link for our merch, which is actually going straight to charity. So we had to fight that. We appealed the decision, and now our merch is showing up at the bottom of the videos. So if you haven't already yet, we'd love to hit $10,000 US. Tell your friends, tell your coworkers, start buying Christmas presents. Father's Day is in June. Before you know it, he can be wearing this when he's actually going to car shows. So $10,000 would be amazing, but regardless, we already see this as a success. 5,000 people voting on 1,500 submissions. Coming up are actually the winners of the categories, 25 in each. So you're gonna have to watch and see if you made the cut, because you could be getting $1,000 towards Summit to actually finish your project. I don't think a lot of these are actually done yet, and that's okay because nobody's is ever done. Like ever. She's probably just running out of the house. We actually had the kittens in the house, so she's probably running out and saying, "Get me away from them whiny little cat brats." You're shedding a lot. I'm gonna get hair in my intake. What are you doing?
Little class. Yeah.